Hi, my name is Jonny Hill. I work for the City of Richmond in the IT department. I grew up in the City of Richmond and I continue to still live in the City of Richmond to raise my family. I drive a 2016 Ford Fusion plug-in hybrid. Before this car, I drove a 1997 Ford Mustang GT 4.6. My dad had a 4.6 as well. And now my son and his friends, Teslas is the new thing that they want. As in the City of Richmond employee, we get 3 hours a day of free charging, so I love to take advantage of that. I also do charge at my home as well. So usually for the most part, I'd want to say 90% of the time, I just charge right here at work. I get about 30 miles on the electric charge. 30 miles is efficient enough for me to get from work to home every day and do shopping, take kids to schools, football practice. And then I'm always saving money because electricity is cheaper than gas, and I'm able to charge at work and at home. So I save at least $100 to $200 a month just on that. With my Mustang, I was gassing up every other day. I quickly changed my mind at an event here at the City of Richmond, the Drive Clean event, and talked to a lot of people. And they had this one booth with CHDC, and they had a Drive Clean program where they would give me a $5,000 grant to get an electric car. So I had to fill out the paperwork. Once I was accepted, they gave me a list of cars that meet the parameters and then dealerships that they work with. So I spent about 3 weeks shopping for the right car. Ever since I got the Ford Fusion, I started noticing more and more people drive the car. Great thing I like about an electric vehicle, a contrast from the Mustang, is you can't tell that the car is on. It's like, you know, the engine is very, very quiet. So another good feature I like is the brake power. So as I hit on the brakes right here, it gives you energy back to your battery. Right now it says I gave 71% energy return to my car battery. And definitely with the carbon imprint and then having Chevron in the City of Richmond and growing up with that and seeing health effects from people that I grew up with, I definitely wanted to do my part for my kids' future. We found our EV. There's one for you too.
Find the electric vehicle that's right for you. Learn about incentives and how to qualify. Click here.